The crypto gold rush. How do you get started? Consider this. In the year 2010, you are given a Bitcoin for 10 cents. The identical Bitcoin now has a value of thousands. Potential abounds in the crypto world, but the catch is that you need the necessary resources to get started. Therefore, which app is best for purchasing cryptocurrency? In this video, we'll examine the best choices and assist you in selecting the best one for your cryptocurrency adventure. Let's begin. Before we dive into the apps, let's talk about why this decision is so important. Not all crypto apps are the same. Some are great for beginners, while others are built for advanced traders. Some have low fees, and others focus heavily on security. Choosing the wrong app could cost you more money, limit your options, or even put your funds at risk. That's why it's crucial to pick the right one for your needs. Let's make sure you choose wisely. Ease of use. If you're new to cryptocurrency, you'll want an app that's simple and intuitive. A cluttered or complicated interface can make the process frustrating, especially if you're just starting. Look for an app that guides you step by step and makes buying, selling, or trading feel straightforward. Fees. Transaction costs can vary widely between apps. Some charge high fees for every trade or withdrawal, while others are more affordable. These fees might seem small at first, but they can add up over time, especially if you're making frequent transactions. Always check the fee structure before committing to an app. Security. Your money's safety should be a top priority. Look for apps that use strong security measures, like encryption to protect your data and two-factor authentication, 2FA, to prevent unauthorized access. Some apps even store the majority of their funds in offline cold storage, which adds an extra layer of protection against hackers. Supported cryptocurrencies. Not all apps support the same coins. If you're interested in popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum, most apps will have you covered. But if you're looking to invest in lesser-known altcoins, make sure the app you choose supports them. There's nothing worse than signing up for an app only to find out it doesn't offer the coins you want. Customer support. Let's face it, things can go wrong. Maybe you have trouble logging in or a transaction doesn't go through as expected. When that happens, you'll want an app with reliable customer support. Look for platforms that offer multiple ways to get help, like live chat, email, or a detailed help center. These are the key factors you should consider as we dive into the top apps. Choosing the right one can make all the difference in your crypto journey. First up, Coinbase. If you're just stepping into the world of cryptocurrency, this is the perfect place to start. The app is incredibly user-friendly, with a clean and simple interface that makes buying Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other major coins feel like a breeze. Even if you've never traded before, Coinbase walks you through the process step by step, so you'll never feel lost. On top of that, Coinbase is known for its strong security measures. It uses industry-standard encryption to protect your data and offers two-factor authentication to keep your account safe. Plus, it stores the majority of its funds in offline cold storage, which adds an extra layer of protection against potential hacks. However, there's one downside: the fees. Coinbase tends to charge higher transaction costs compared to some other platforms. These fees can add up, especially if you're making frequent trades or withdrawals. But for beginners who value simplicity and security, Coinbase is still a solid and reliable choice. Next, we have Binance. If you're looking to trade a wide variety of cryptocurrencies, this app is a powerhouse. Binance supports over 600 different coins, giving you access to everything from popular options like Bitcoin and Ethereum to lesser-known altcoins. It's packed with advanced trading features like spot trading, futures, and even staking, making it a favorite among experienced traders who want more control over their investments. Another big advantage? The fees. Binance offers some of the lowest transaction costs in the industry, which can save you a lot of money, especially if you're trading frequently. Plus, they have their native cryptocurrency, Binance Coin BNB, which can be used to pay fees at an even lower rate. However, there's a catch: the interface. Binance is designed with advanced users in mind, and for beginners, it can feel overwhelming. The platform is packed with charts, tools, and options that might be confusing if you're just starting out. If you're new to crypto, you might want to begin with something simpler and work your way up to Binance later. But for those who know their way around trading, Binance is hard to beat. Now let's talk about the Kraken. If security is your top priority, this app is a standout choice. Kraken has an impeccable track record. It's never been hacked, which is a huge deal in the crypto world. The platform uses advanced security measures, including cold storage for the majority of its funds, and two-factor authentication, 2FA, to protect your account. This makes it one of the most trusted apps for keeping your investments safe. Kraken is also versatile, catering to both beginners and advanced users. It offers a clean, easy-to-navigate interface for those just starting out, as well as advanced trading trading features like margin trading and futures for more experienced traders. Plus, Kraken provides a wealth of educational resources to help you learn the ropes and make informed decisions. However, there's one limitation: availability. Kraken isn't supported in all countries, so you'll need to check if it's accessible in your region before signing up. But if it's available where you are and security is a top concern, Kraken is an excellent choice for your crypto journey. Ever wished you could learn from the best and copy the moves of successful traders? Enter eToro. This app stands out because it blends cryptocurrency trading with social investing. With eToro, you can follow and even copy the trades of top investors, making it an excellent option if you're still learning the ropes or want to take a more hands-off approach. It's like having a mentor guide your investments while you build your confidence and knowledge. eToro is also beginner-friendly with a simple and intuitive interface that makes it easy to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. It supports a variety of coins, including major ones like Bitcoin and Ethereum, as well as some popular altcoins. Plus, the social aspect of the platform allows you to connect with other traders, share insights, and learn from the community. However, there's one thing to watch out for: the fees. While eToro is convenient and user-friendly, its fees can be higher compared to some other platforms, especially when it comes to spreads and withdrawals. These costs can add up over time, so it's important to keep an eye on them. But if you're looking for a platform that combines trading with social learning, eToro is a unique and valuable choice. Of course, there are plenty of other great apps out there worth considering. For example, Gemini. Known for its strong focus on security and regulatory compliance, Gemini is a trusted platform for those who prioritize safety. It's fully licensed and offers features like insurance on digital assets held in their hot wallet, making it a reliable choice for cautious investors. Crypto.com. This app offers a wide range of cryptocurrencies and a sleek, user-friendly experience. It's packed with features, from trading and staking to a crypto debit card, making it a versatile option for both beginners and experienced users. Robinhood. If you're just starting, Robinhood is a great beginner-friendly app. It's simple to use and allows you to trade cryptocurrencies alongside stocks and other assets. However, it's limited to only a few major cryptocurrencies, so it might not be the best fit if you're looking to explore a wider variety of coins. Each of these apps has its own strengths, so take the time to consider your needs, goals, and experience level before making a decision. The right app for you will depend on what matters most, whether it's security, variety, ease of use, or something entirely else. Once you've picked the app that's right for you, here's how to get started. Download the app from the official app store. Make sure you're downloading the legitimate version of the app to avoid scams or fake platforms. Create an account and complete the verification process. Most apps will require you to verify your identity by submitting documents like a government-issued ID. This step is crucial for security and compliance. Deposit funds using your preferred payment method. Whether it's a bank transfer, credit card, or debit card, choose the payment method that works best for you. Some apps may also allow deposits in other cryptocurrencies. Start buying and trading cryptocurrencies. Once your account is funded, you're ready to dive in. Explore the app's features, buy your first coins, and start building your portfolio. Remember, the crypto market can be volatile, so always start small and only invest what you can afford to lose. Take your time to learn, experiment, and grow your confidence as you navigate this exciting space. So, what's the best app to buy cryptocurrency? The truth is, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. It all depends on your goals, experience level, and preferences. If you're just starting out, apps like Coinbase or eToro are great choices because they're user-friendly and designed with beginners in mind. On the other hand, if you're an experienced trader looking for advanced features and a wide range of coins, Binance or Kraken might be more your speed. The key is to choose an app that aligns with your needs. Think about what matters most to you, whether it's ease of use, low fees, strong security, or access to specific cryptocurrencies. And no matter which app you go with, always prioritize security. Protecting your investments should always come first. Take your time, do your research, and pick the platform that feels right for you. Ready to dive into the world of cryptocurrency? Download one of these apps today and take the first step toward your crypto journey. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader, there's an app out there that's perfect for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more tips and insights about navigating the crypto space. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.